Murramarang Beachfront Nature Resort was our next destination, and what a great place to stay, located right next to the beach and completely surrounded by nature. If you like a good hike, you can trek around the rugged peninsula for a few hours, or relax by the pool with some delicious cocktails. We had a few tours booked for us, including the Gold Rush tour, a historic site where you can pan for your own gold and find out about colonial life hundreds of years ago. At Mogo Zoo, we not only saw heaps of beautiful animals, but got the rare opportunity to feed Kinwa, the tiger.
It's not the face area.
Lastly, we relaxed during a sunset kayak tour on the lake. It was a new experience paddling in the dark, watching the stars. So thank you for having us, Murramarang Beachfront Nature Resort. This is one place that you do not want to miss.